So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're on Instagram and you're seeing your posts kind of have these types of things basically come up where they're saying something like it's an AI post or it's AI info. And you might be trying to figure out what's going on here. Now, the reason why you're going through and getting this type of situation going on is usually because within your particular Instagram post, there might be something that's deemed as essentially an AI image or something like that. So that typically happens when you post something that has some sort of AI generated content. So number one, go through that particular post and make sure there isn't any AI generated content inside of it or anything like that at all. Because typically when you do it that way, that is the main reason why you end up having this type of post come up this way. So make sure there's no AI content, make sure it wasn't generated by AI. That is going to be the easiest way of basically fixing this problem. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing you can do here too is basically find that little edit tag. There should be a little edit button on that particular post. You can find a little edit button, it's a 3 dots somewhere around it, tap on it, select edit, and then you can tap on the AI info, AI label portion, and that should also allow you to go through and delete and remove that post. Now, if that's still not working, you can try, seeing if there's another way to fix it. You can try updating your Instagram application. But again, make sure that your images that you're posting, if they're not actually AI generated, you didn't even, move it through an AI generated tool like Gemini to fix this or that, because sometimes that can also cause problems for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.